At HAPLAST, every t-shirt bag is produced under control manufacturing process to ensure stable quality and reliable performance. Before delivery, the product is tested carefully to evaluate its tensile strength and stretch resistance in actual use. Step 1. Cut the produce bag sample into 6 identical test strips, each with the dimensions 35 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. Step 2. Place the prepared test strip into the tensile testing machine and secure it firmly using the tightening screws. Then press the start button to begin the elongation test. Step 3. Observe the measurement results displayed on the computer screen after the machine has pulled the test strip until it breaks. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining samples, then save all test data and prepare the final report. Our production system is backed by internationally recognized certifications, reflecting our commitment to quality, consistency, and global manufacturing standards. Trusted by global partners across diverse markets. Looking for reliable packaging solutions? Contact HAPLAST today.